Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with card for fast affiliate squeeze pages, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the card website. Create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the new site button. Choose a template that fits your affiliate offer. For a squeeze page, select a simple layout focusing on lead capture. Click on the chosen template to enter the editor. Start by customizing the text fields. Replace the placeholder text with your headline. Make it catchy to grab attention right away. Add a subheadline to provide more context. Next, insert a call to action button. Edit the button text to say something enticing like "Get your free guide." Link this button to your affiliate offer or email opt-in form. Now, adjust the color scheme to match your branding. Go to the Styles tab to change background colors and font styles. Upload any relevant images for a more appealing design. Use high-quality visuals that resonate with your target audience. Once you're satisfied with the design, set up your form. Drag and drop a form element onto your page. Configure the form fields to collect essential information, like name and email. Make sure to connect this form to your email marketing service. Test the form to ensure submissions are properly routed. Now, optimize for mobile responsiveness. Use the preview mode to see how the page looks on different devices. Adjust any elements that may not display correctly on mobile. When everything looks good, click on the Publish button. Choose a custom domain or use Card's free domain option. Finalize your settings and go live with your page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.